Oh, hey, Simon. Huh? Oh, hey there, man? Oh, nice to see you, Simon. Hey, last night was fun, right? Yeah, it totally was, man. Yeah, it was. Simon, you should totally hang out, bro. Hey, let me give you my number. Yeah, of course. You know what? Why don't you put your name in? I can. I sprained my thumb the other day. What? Okay. Come on, Simon. What's the You gotta be kidding me. Why would I be kidding, man? How do you not know my name? I don't know. I forgot. I'm sorry, man. Stop calling me man. Why on earth would I be named man? I don't know. You're Swedish? I don't even know your relation to me. I'm your best friend's brother's cousin, sister-in-law's dog walker. It's not that hard to understand. What? You know what, Simon? If you never really bothered to learn my name, then we weren't really friends at all. I met you last night. And I was gone the next day. Goodbye, Simon. Wait. Tell me your name? Oh yeah, my name is... Oh, wait a minute! Come on!